Imagine you are a wonderful farmer, and you grow yummy, golden rice on a beautiful green hill. But oh no, there is a tiny problem. The river water is all the way down at the very bottom of the hill. How do we get the water all the way up to our thirsty plants? At first, you might just carry water in little wooden buckets. But walking up and down the steep, bumpy hill makes your arms ache and your legs super tired. Walking back and forth is hard work. We need a smarter way to be builders, thinkers, and inventors. So, you tie a long rope to a single bucket and pull it up. That saves your legs from walking, but your arms still get very sore. What if we tie a bunch of buckets to the same rope? Great idea. We get a lot more water. But oops, now the buckets are way too heavy to pull up. Let's use a clever tool called a winch. It is a round wooden stick you spin to wind up the rope, kind of like a fishing reel. Lifting the water feels much easier. But wait, you still have to pull the empty rope all the way back down every single time. That takes way too long. Time for a big brain idea. What if we make a rope that goes in a giant circle, just like a bicycle chain? We put a wheel at the top and another wheel down in the water. We hang little buckets on the loop. But uh-oh, the heavy wooden buckets bump into each other and get stuck on the way up. Let's swap the heavy wood for light, hollow bamboo tubes. Now, as you turn a handle, the loop goes round and round without stopping. The bamboo cups dip in the water, grab a big drink, ride up to the top, and tip over. Splash! The water pours right into the top field and flows down to water all the plants below. This amazing invention is called a chain pump. It is a very cool piece of engineering, but spinning the handle all day still makes your hands tired. You want a machine that works all by itself without any pushing or pulling. Let's go back to the river and build something absolutely huge. We build a giant wooden wheel right in the middle of the flowing water. We use strong wooden posts to hold it up. Then, we tie light bamboo cups around the outside edge of the wheel. When the river flows fast, it pushes the big wheel, making it spin all by itself. As the giant wheel turns, the bamboo cups dip into the river and scoop up water. When they reach the very top of the ride, they tip over and empty the water into a long wooden pipe. This water flows right up to your fields. You just invented the water-powered bucket wheel. The river does all the hard work, giving your plants a nice drink all day and all night long. You solved the puzzle and helped the rice grow. Great job, Master Inventor.